our night out in Cartagena. We decided to go down to Cartagena because my brother and his son were out on holiday. They always put on a great show in Spain. If Spain is good at one thing, I have to say it's celebrating special events, festivals, and obviously Christmas and the Three Kings. All of that sort of thing is very, very well celebrated in Spain. Now, we've been to Murcia for the switch on of the lights there, but we decided this time that we'd go down to Cartagena. And once we got there sort of around 6 o'clock in the evening, and the lights were due to go on for 7, but it really started getting quite busy. All the action was going on at the front at Cartagena near the port. And as you can see from the video, people were all gathering here. Lots of families had come down, lots of friends had come down, and it really was busy. And what the council within Cartagena had done is set up a great big stage, and they had a show on in the stage. So we listened to about an hour's worth of music there, getting everyone into the spirit of things. And you can see it really was starting to fill up and get busy. But the highlight of the show, and the thing we'd come to see, was the drone show. So that's what we were waiting for. So I wanted to take some pictures of that. I've not put the whole drone show on, but I wanted to show you and give you a little taster of the sorts of things that the Spanish do to celebrate the upcoming of Christmas, and the sort of extent of their celebrations and how everybody gets involved, however young or old they are.